Hi, I'm Scott, and today we're gonna be doing a furnace tune-up. We're about to go under here and do a full diagnostic on this furnace. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, unfortunately, you can hear that noise, that rattling, that grrr, tells me that the bearings on this inducer motor are gonna be shot. We'll have to let her know that for sure. I cycled it off and back on. The inducer motor was grinding really hard. I took a video of it so we could, I didn't want anybody else to go down there unless you had to. Unfortunately, that inducer motor will need to be replaced.